Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open 2019 Ford F-150 key fob. Start by locating the small notch near the key ring and pry gently with a flat screwdriver until the halves separate. Remove the battery cover carefully and note the battery orientation before replacing it. Reassemble by snapping the two halves together and test the buttons to confirm proper operation and secure fit. If something feels stuck, stop and inspect for a hidden clip. Use a plastic pry tool and work on a clean flat surface to protect the fob and catch small parts. Remove the circuit board gently and avoid touching contacts with greasy fingers to prevent corrosion. Replace the CR2032 battery with the positive side up and ensure it seats fully for reliable operation. If buttons feel loose, inspect the rubber pad for wear and align it correctly before snapping the case closed. Quick recommendation: if you want hands-free help while working on the fob, the Echo Dot smart speaker is a compact helper for timers, step prompts, and music. It fits on a workbench and responds to voice so you can keep your hands clean. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the fob will not sync after a battery change, so try a simple reprogram by cycling the vehicle ignition and pressing the fob buttons in sequence. Check door ajar sensors and replace worn rubber contacts if buttons fail. Clean the circuit board with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry completely before reassembly to avoid shorts. Consult dealer if remote programming steps differ for your specific trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.